Hey guys, Josh Rimany here in the lab at Dilworth Drug and Wellness, and we're going to talk to you today about the offensive approach to cough-cold season. In other words, what do we do to tackle your cough and cold needs when you get sick? So your immune system needs vitamin C. We all know that, but we always think it's just for prevention. But actually in high doses we can help treat your cough and cold with just simply some vitamin C. Vitamin D is an offensive and a defensive approach to cough-cold season. But when people get sick from a virus, I front load vitamin D at high doses because it's very helpful to your immune response. So we need that as well for our immune function to happen. So those are really two key nutrients that anyone can do at any time to help really treat that part of it, to get things moving quicker. Other products we use, the one that's got the most wild success here is called Viricid. It's a combination of nutritional products and vitamins that really tackles viruses only. We have little blister packs. Every time I go on vacation or go on a plane trip, that's coming in my travel pack. It's saved me hundreds of times. I've heard hundreds of stories. I give it to my friends, my family, everybody gets Viricid. I would say it's our #1 selling supplement only because it gets the outcomes it's driven. Think about this. We can't get rid of your cold, but if we could alleviate those symptoms from 7 to 14 days down to 2 or 3, wouldn't you want to try that? You know, we can get people back to work and back functioning quicker by utilizing this concentrated immune support for that offensive side. We really got to attack it quick. Like, we've got to get it to where we give you the optimal amount of nutrients that you need to get through it quickly.